Maria loses followers because of white money. See what they are plotting against Maria. Sasuke went to the Big Brother Ninja house well equipped with three giant vibrators. I wanna welcome back to my channels. Even I didn't new wanna welcome, I didn't wanna super duper welcome. Alright, we wanna check below when I see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so my people, no be small thing, yo. No be small thing, no Big Brother Naija just the shelle. Like say tomorrow no day, una know now married woman we go open Bobby, say me the sucky. Hey, where everybody got the badger yesterday. Hey, you sure say this girl don't marry, so she go open Bobby, say me the suck. This one, that one. People just they buy themselves. Now the husband come for night, yo. Come shun them. See the wife na actress. My correct with them, I don't know. But I feel say according to what I hear, so all this they watch for Hollywood movies, how then they pretty person Bobby, how then they do all those things, say no be real, say na film tricks. Now then they do. Me I don't know. But the one way me I know say nah, true, then they do and true. Now all those pony, so the actress when they talk, I don't know whether they pony or not just normal actressing, because for this other normal ones I hear saying a film tricks, then they do say no be real. So my correct people, I don't know, I know they the industry, so I can't really say, but that's how I feel and that is what I had. My correct people, they know it's small thing, the man come we say I beg, move na face on front. You can't show say no care. At the end of the day, can't write I love you, baby. And the wife tell her say they talk say she should never mind to bath with men for inside bathroom. Marriage woman. Hey. There is nothing where your eye never see. Oh, hey. Every time when they change this our gate position, Musa, how you say we will change them again, no, because civil I say where would the position where would they now? They even worse past the one would they before, where would they run? When I never seen. Say she don't mind to bath, naked with other men for inside bathroom. You can imagine such a married woman. Mom be say, my prayer be say, no be say I hate her. I don't hate her, nothing concerned with overload, but mom be say, may God help me to evict her. Yes, you know why? Anytime when she dey up for eviction, may God help me the victor. Why I talk so? Because so that it will serve as a lesson to others. Because you don't be like say if you go Big Brother house, you know show nyash, you know go to sleeping with men, you know go train, you know go make them, you know go get fans. To this time, if single girls they do no lele, but married woman, you know it be marriage. You climb altar, you go take vow in front of God. Then you come they do all this something. Tell me say na game. Tell me say which nonsense something with that one. Go open Bobby keep. Another man they saw for national television. You call yourself a mother. I beg. Now something with that. Even the man will come out they talk self. He just they talk because he won't support a wife. You know what? Maybe people can't they hate the wife because at all na impact pass. Everybody will enter that house is a potential winner. So their eye did that 90 million. So the man eye did the 90 million. The wife eye did the 90 million. So in just one buy the matter. But if they pain and they're low key, or maybe funny war, funny generation. Maybe they don't plan there for her. Say, babe, go anything we want to go do. No lele, but make sure so you win the money. No, a day your back. No mind say you don't marry or whatever. So my correct people, them the thing that the content we signed up for. So some of us will not signed up for will not signed up for all those immoral things and all those kind something. Alright, so say my wife is an actress. If that was a movie scene, she will still do more. Let's try and subscribe. Show Max. That was the content I signed for. Come put emoji way laugh. Come say expect more. Come say hashtag Tegan, hashtag Bibi Naija, at is Tegan Dominic. I love you, baby. Hey, no be smart enough. Some people can't blame themselves. wetin even make them go put mouth sef for wetin no even concern them, and the husband can't give this reply. Some people say the man dey vex low key. Some people say, I must make am this for this life. Oh, when my wife no go dey open bobby, they give people to soki for 90 million. Many reactions, my correct people. Them many reactions. So I read one or two for now. Alright, so my correct people. Them. So this first person here say, can't laugh 2 times. Say it's still low key pain my guy. Another person can say whether she's an actress or she's playing game, the shit she allowed is a big no for me. So another person can say till she come house without money before your eye go clear. Another person can say LOL, he shouldn't have spoken at all. Uncle double your hustle, he gets why. Another person can say poverty can make one say anything. Another person can say we move from back na hobby wey support im wife na him dey enjoy. Abeg no be that kind support. Abeg person will support you into condemnation. Abeg I don't need this kind of stuff. Even if person support me, I cannot even do such a thing. Cannot do such a thing, because apart from your hobby, it's also a sin, a big sin before Baba God there. So it's not just about your husband alone. It's also that you are committing sin. You know, if you keep the vow where you go stand for altar, you vow. You even do where they say you stand for altar, you vow before God. To say that your village juju where you go stand vow, so say you will do this, you will do this, you will do that, you for do. Well, many people know they take am serious, especially men who they honor that vow when they go stand for altar vow. So now just the level be that. Alright, so my correct people. So the next one again, we con the share like what I say, ma say shook my put. Now the one where they con they call Maria, Maria Iscariot. Shama, they call Maria, say she be Maria Iscariot. My correct people, they waiting me, they call her, say she be Maria Iscariot. Because I say she and white money, they close. They should even call am baby, all those kind of level and all that. Then she can't go nominate white money. So people like, this girl na Judas Iscariot will come kiss Jesus finish. Turn back, go sell am. Say no, this girl is Maria Iscariot. Some people say that don't lose them as fans. Many people would just carry on for it. This is a game. You know, imagine a person like Maria who say she dey sell houses for Dubai. So leaving her business, you know, come Big Brother Nigeria. When I say na play, she come to play. I don't know why people just they so emotional about this thing. They say it's betrayal. White money wouldn't have done that to her. So let's wait and see now. Let's wait and see. You cannot talk for white money. How many days when you go inside house? You don't know I'm too much. Alright, so we can read some of the comments on. Alright, so person say you don't F up. Another person say, so you really nominated white money. Really? You just lost us. So not only you, she lost us. Not say us and not join. Another person say you call white money, you won't get problem. Another person say I am unfollowing you as soon as possible. Another person say for nominating white money, you are cancelled. Another person say white money na your problem for that house, abi. Another person can say Maria say it's with your chest. Maria, you have made WM the winner with that emotional nomination, LOL. Another person can say Maria, why now you called my baby white money, you don't turn WM. Another person can say what's with the fake tears, because that she nominate and finish, you can't hug them. Can't they cry? Hi Jesus. Another person can say Maria lost a fan, bye. Another person can say Maria don't F up. Another person can say why white money? Oh, now game now. Another person say Maria has spoiled her game by herself. Another person can say done with you, boo. Another person can say why Maria? Why? You picked white money, OMG. Another person can say my gender though, why do I feel disappointed? Another person can say you have lost us. Another person can say but babe, you pick white money, I am so sad. Alright, so my correct people, then I just the level be that. But for me, I don't see any big deal there. This is a game. That's where you feel say he's one of the strongest. You don't come from Dubai, come to look person's face now. No. All of them there, they get one or two and then they do. So they know what you do, you focus on the game and win. So nothing like that. But here sometimes if you want to carry game for head, you bruise other people, you know, emotions, they begin to pity the other person. Before you know, you don't recruit fans for them. So now say they work. Alright, so my well, people are taking it extremely personal, as if you go blogs where they talk about this very white money. That's everybody just they talk, say they don't follow Maria, they don't follow Maria, they don't follow Maria. Now wow, now so they think deep rich. My great people them no be small thing no. Sasuke here where she say no man they look an eye for house see say she no dey happy. Talk. Wetin you want make man look you eye for? Shebi na you say you be virgins. Abi na for Big Brother Naija house you wan come lose your virginity? Well, just yesterday she talk say she come fully prepared with 3 giant vibrators. You now come dey talk for my mind say vibrator, wetin wan carry vibrator do? Wetin concern agboro with overload? Wetin concern virgins with vibrator? Upon say she carry 3 vibrators, she come dey ask whether dem dey allow am for Big Brother Naija house. Now come dey talk say na wow, abi na the vibrator wan take disvirgin you? Nawa. Nothing wey we no go see for Big Brother Naija house. Well, in terms of man, she no need to worry because Diane Rousseff so na so she been go that year. She's small, nobody dey even look her eye, but now Diane Rousseff don come out, be biggest girl, you know, dey focus on her hustle. I want to say na Meseke go dey show am road for where I no know say Diane Rousseff her own, she too she be full package, she know road well and she's doing super great. Now so now the love my people I will draw my curtain now, and I thank you so much for watching. Una stay beautiful, una bye.